Health concerns all of us. It touches every family, every community, every country. And the challenges we face are enormous. This is why the World Health Summit is so important. This leading platform brings together people from politics, science, private sector, and civil society from all over the world. Different perspectives and different ideas, but one shared goal: to create a healthier future for everyone.
Our flagship conference, the World Health Summit, every October in Berlin, is only one part of a greater movement. What also matters is what happens throughout the year all around the world. Through workshops and dialogues, networks are created, ideas are tested, and solutions are co-created. By uniting diverse voices from all sectors, the World Health Summit accelerates innovation and change. And with our youth programs, a new generation of leaders is prepared to take responsibility for the future.
The World Health Summit gives leaders and change makers from different fields a platform to pave the way for progress. We need collaborative and innovative solutions for key health priorities. The World Health Summit Academic Alliance, our network of universities and research institutions worldwide, makes sure that everything we do is founded in science and evidence. The World Health Summit promotes the translation of scientific findings and new insights into policies and real changes on the ground. With the annual World Health Summit regional meetings, we take conversations, discussions and exchange around the world. Local and regional topics come to the forefront. We listen, we learn, we connect, and together we build solutions. The World Health Summit is a global platform for cooperation, and it's a community which grows every year. Health for all is possible if we work hand in hand. Together we can shape a healthier future.